Welcome back, my dear students. So today I'm going to discuss about a new topic, that is the collection of birds. How can we collect birds? Actually, there are a lot of methodologies have been employed for collecting birds. So we need to discuss about that, and I'm starting with the first method, the food baits. Here what we are doing is that we are providing grains as well as live insects to those group of birds, or those birds that we want to collect as food materials for collecting them. Here you can see that here one bird is coming to feed this food. But what happens when it begins to feed, automatically there is a trap is maintained. So it will be trapped here in this trap. So this is called a food bait trap. By providing food, we are trapping the birds. Then the next one is called a baited box trap. This trap is generally concerned with the trapping gregarious seed eaters. What is meant by gregarious? Gregarious means group. Those birds which moves in groups are generally concentrating for trapping by this method. And the apparatus concerned with this baiting box trap consisting of a mesh box. Here you can see that a mesh box which is supported by a stick. And what we are doing is that we are spreading some bait food materials beneath this mesh box. So whenever this group of birds enters into this mesh box, it will feeds upon it, and automatically what happens is that this operator can pull this thread tied to this stick, so that they will be trapped here in this baited box. So this is one of the method for collecting birds. Okay. Then the third one is called a funnel trap. This method can be used for collecting all species of birds. This trap is somewhat similar to that of the previous one, that is baited box trap, but it is provided with a funnel shaped entrance. Here you can see that this arrow indicates that there is a funnel shaped entrance, and through this entrance the birds can enter. And whenever it enters into this box, automatically this will be closed. So in this method we can collect birds. Okay. Then comes the baited net traps. Those species, this net trap is generally concentrating for collecting those birds which are too cautious, or they were very lazy to enter into the trap. This apparatus consisting of a net with a tubular metal frame, and this trap is concealed by overhanging leaves. Leaves or some food materials will be overhanged in this apparatus, so that this kind of birds. Here it is a parrot. It will slowly come to this apparatus or towards this foliage or food materials, and at that time the net will be dropped manually, or it will be trapped inside the net. So this is another method of trapping birds. Then another one is called a drift trap method. This drift trap is generally concerned with the collecting shore birds as well as rail birds. Okay, this is generally having a long wire which is leading to a funnel like opening. And what we are doing is that this apparatus consisting of a funnel shaped entrance, and this funnel shaped entrance will leads into a feeding areas. Inside this apparatus there is a feeding areas, and this feeding areas will be then leads into a box trap, so that it will be caught inside the box trap. So this is a drift trap. Okay. Then comes the last one, that is called use of drugs. Certain chemicals or drugs can be used for collecting birds. One of the most important one is called tribromoethanol. This is one of the most commonly used drug for collecting birds. So that's all about the different traps used for collecting birds. Thank you.